Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a texture here in Autodesk 3ds Max. Alright, so first off, let's just go ahead and draw something right here. Maybe a plane. Okay. Just like this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe just a simple box. Alright. Now to add in this texture, just go ahead and open up your material editor, which is right here, or press M on your keyboard. Okay. Here you have the material editor, or you can go ahead over to modes, change it to what? Slate material editor. You can right click here in a blank space, go to materials, and then general, go ahead and add in physical material. All right. Now add in on top of that, right click maps, and then general, you have here bitmap. Okay. Under bitmap, go ahead and select your texture. Could be a picture. Okay. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in just the wood for the box. Okay. Click on open and then go ahead and connect it or link it to base color or base color map. Now, after that, go ahead and go to the top and put material to scene or assign material to selection. Make sure that you select the object and assign it. There you have it. Another one, maybe this one right here. I'm going to right click, add in a bitmap or maps, general, bitmap. I'm going to add in this one. I'm going to click on open, connect it. Now to connect it, go ahead and add in another material. So material, general, physical material, and then just connect it right here. And then click on the object and assign. All right. And there you have it. And that is how you add textures here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.